Ready to make bank? Let's go! Ever looked at your bank account and thought, we need to fix this like right now? What if I told you that you could make money online, and I mean fast? Not next month, but super quick. The internet is a giant magical money tree, and all you need to do is learn how to shake it. We're talking about real methods people use every day. No boring lectures here. This is the real deal. You don't need a fancy degree or a ton of startup cash. Just a bit of hustle, creativity, and a good internet connection. Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing new money in your account. Let's unlock your inner boss and make that money, honey. Why is everyone obsessed with making money online fast? Simple. Life is expensive. Rent, new video games, spontaneous trips. Waiting for a paycheck feels like watching paint dry. The internet gives us options. We want instant everything, so why not money? The online world lets you be your own boss, set your hours, and see results fast. It's about taking control of your financial destiny. Fast online money-making methods offer flexibility and freedom. It's not just about impatience. It's about being smart and ready for anything. Let's talk about something you're probably already doing. Scrolling through social media. What if you could get paid for it? Become a social media manager or content creator. Businesses need help with platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. If you know how to get likes and comments, companies will pay big bucks. Turn your screen time into cash time. Start by reaching out to small businesses or finding gigs on freelance websites. You could be making money by the end of the week. Stop just being a consumer and start being a creator. Next up, freelancing. Sell your skills to people who need them. Are you a great writer, graphic designer, or video editor? There's someone willing to pay you. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are packed with people looking for help. Create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on jobs immediately. Many projects are small and need to be done quickly, so you can get hired, complete the work, and get paid fast. The faster you work, the more projects you can take on. It's a fantastic way to build your skills and make connections. Start offering your services to the world and watch the cash roll in. Want to make money right this second, with zero effort? Welcome to online surveys and microtasks. Companies pay for your opinion on products, ads, and ideas. Sign up, answer questions, and watch the cash add up. It's the easiest money you'll ever make. Use your free time, waiting for the bus, standing in line, to earn cash. The gratification is instant. No waiting for approval or invoices. Cash out for PayPal money or gift cards. Make quick, easy money without stress or commitment. Look around your room. I bet you have stuff you don't use anymore. Old clothes, video games, books. It's a hidden pile of cash. Selling your unwanted items online is one of the fastest ways to make money. Use eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, and Depop to sell your stuff. For local sales, get paid in cash the same day. Bigger platforms reach a massive audience of buyers. It's a direct line from your closet to your wallet. Declutter, make money, and be eco-friendly. Our final method is affiliate marketing. Promote a product you love and earn a commission for every sale through your link. Share links on your blog, social media, or with friends. Make money recommending things you already like. If you have an audience, start making money almost instantly. A single piece of popular content can generate income for months. You don't handle inventory or customer service, just connect customers to products. Start sharing and unlock a powerful way to make money online. Wow, what a whirlwind! We've covered incredible ways to make money online, fast. The internet has changed the game, putting the power to earn at your fingertips. Don't wait for permission. Create your opportunity now. The key is to just start. Pick one method and give it a try. Your first dollar earned online proves it's possible. Combine methods to create a money-making machine that works for you. Take control of your finances and fund your dreams. Get out there, be bold, and start making that money.